let's understand what is a CMS first. And before understanding what is CMS, let's look into its history a little bit. So in 1990s, website had static contents. So basically there were no databases, no queries. So websites were really fast because all the content was hard coded or built into the website itself. The major thing missing here were live updates. So anytime the website owner wanted to create or modify any existing old content, then they would have to modify the content and then publish it in order for the changes to be reflected. In simple words, we can say that the data was static to the website. So real-time updates were an issue. So CMS was created in the late 1990s as a way to manage the growing amount of digital content being created and published on the internet. A CMS or content management system is a software application that allows users to create, edit, and manage digital content such as text, images, and other multimedia. A CMS typically provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for non-technical users to add, edit, and publish content. So the user-friendliness makes it really easy for handling the data. So CMS handles the entire life cycle of data, that is from creation to publication. It also includes features such as user management. So in a website, there can be users with multiple roles, and these roles will govern what content each user will be able to access or edit on the website. So user management can be achieved with CMS. Now also theme management, a user can also modify style sheet. We can change the look and feel of websites through its theme management system. CMS also includes some SEO tools built in. So search engine optimizations are easy. It also supports multilingual support, which means like if you want to translate your site to different languages, then all the language files are stored in the CMS. So they are easy to integrate and manage. And lastly, we can also manage media like text, videos, images, etc. So all these features can help teams collaborate on content creation and publication. The CMS space is quite competitive in today's market. As you can see, there are many CMSs available like Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, etc. But Webflow here has an upper hand due to its simplicity, ease of use, and security.